Another main important node for creating a mountain or the terrain is perlin. This is the main usage of the main and most important node for creating these terrains. It's very simple. It's things that you can see. You can change the scale of the noise. It's creating the noise. The octaves. You can anywhere in the software that you face in octaves. It means the number of the noise. You can make it a decrease or increase the number of the noise. And in all the noise, we have three different method for noising: FBM, rigid, Billoy. And you can choose one of them and see what happens. You can change the method for noising. We have in a rigid, we have more sharp. Nice. You can see the different method for noise engine in this software that you can create it. And warp, as I said before, is for uniforming the noise, and it looks like the wind flows from somewhere. For example, first none, then a simple warp, change the warp frequency. Now you can see the warp of. Be careful about the number. For example, you can see the wind comes from here, and it's like a water surface, okay? Warp amplitude, you can change the amplitude of that, or the number of the warps, more or less. You can make it a none. And yeah, we have three different of the warps. This is through complex, for example, warp. As you can see, we have more warp at the two direction or not. The transform, you can scale this terrain in X or Y. You can right click and click number, smaller number. As you can see it's scaling in this direction, or changing by double it. As you can see, you can scale in a X direction your train, or in a Y direction. Right click, you can access the number, or you can type exact number or click and drag it. That's it. You can click and bring back the default numbers here. Simply click on the default. And as I said before, for better understanding, you can go to the 2D and activate those three, and you can see this train are making based on this height map. And if you change the number of here, you can see better in the 2D that's affected directly 3D. So as you can see here, these two nodes are more brighter than other. That means we use a lot in perlin here, or directly mountain. And here we use most combined nodes. So this is the main node for creating a mountain or terrain. Perlin. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.